Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Lakeland online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.lakelandbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, click on Open an Account link at the top right. Now, you'll be able to see this interface. To apply for online banking, you'll need to go ahead and select if you'd like to open an account for personal or business. Select your account that you'd like to sign up with and click on the Open Now link right next to the account type. On the next page, follow through the on-screen prompts. You'll need to provide your personal information. So go through the information first. You'll need your driver's license or your government-issued ID, your US Social Security number. If you are funding from an external account, you'll also need your account information. Now you'll need to go ahead and go through this e-sign consent first, and after you are done going through it, click on this little box that says I have read and I consent to the use of electronic records in connection with this application. If you're an existing customer, then you can click on yes. If not, click no and enter your rest of the information. Type in your first name, middle name and last name, and once you are done, type in your date of birth information, enter your social security number on the next field, and then type in your zip code. After filling in all of these information, click on continue and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. Once you provide all of the necessary information throughout the process, you'll be able to finish off your sign up for a Lakeland online banking account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.